Now we are giving the Windows 7, so pressing F12, then after coming the boot menu. Now selecting use message. This is not problem, so I show you there have a lot of windows have in here. So I click and select there are all Windows 11, 10 and 7 is also having here. So we are pressing the Windows 7. Now clicking next, also install. Now they are showing all menus, so we are giving professional 64-bit, then next, accept, next. So we are clicking, now we are clicking the customize. So they are not showing any option, so need to the click device option. Now we are deleting this MB file, system recovery, then also Windows, then clicking next. Now they are holding for first one is 100%, then second one is 1 2 is starting, so waiting for 100%. Now I am resum this video. 99. Waiting for restarting. Now pressing enter. Now updating the updating register setting. Just wait. Just wait. Last one is waiting the finishing. Wait. Now pressing enter. for next term. Just waiting setup. Now giving name. Then next, skip because we have not code. Then I have accelerate. Now we are not setting in the time after Windows, then we are set. Now welcome the Windows 7. Windows 7 now is finished. Now desktop is preparing. After few minutes is on. Now Windows 7 is completely done. Thank you.